lot of dirt there, isn't there? Yeah, we're at the come and we're going to have to probably pick rocks up. Here, give me your hand.
You gotta hold on to Daddy's hand.
No. All right, we're going to go out.
See, we walk in from the
All right, we're going to have to go out.
from the garage. Walk in from the garage. There's the laundry room with the window. There's the closet. Bathroom. Foyer. Front door. Great room. Back porch, back patio door. This is the office. Window. Kitchen. Window. This is what I'll look out when I'm in my kitchen. Daddy and Jack are on the front porch. Basement.